Unable to share your screen on WhatsApp using your iPhone? By doing this, you will be able to share your screen. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the issue of not being able to share your screen on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on live activity. First, open up the settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on apps. Now find the WhatsApp. Then tap on it. After that, make sure to toggle on live activity from here. And also make sure to toggle on the background app refresh. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Go to the settings app. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on general. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap offload. And again, tap offload. After that, tap reinstall it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings. Tap general. Scroll down, then tap transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap reset. Now tap reset all settings. Now enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap reset all settings again. Don't worry, it won't delete any of your data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password and all the settings. Make sure that reset all over settings and all back to the default settings. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved now. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.